What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Diamond, and I'm back with another video. And I got my sister on the phone. Y'all can't see it. Can y'all see it? Let me just zoom in for a second. I can't zoom in unless I turn the camera around. But I got my sister on FaceTime over there or whatever. And today I am gonna be doing some, what is those called, sister? Some body scrubs. So what you say? I don't know what she doing back there. Some body scrubs, girl. So I'm gonna be doing some body scrubs or whatever. It's gonna be on the website, so y'all go check out the website. By the time I upload this video, it should be on there, and they very affordable and everything at www.queensreaction.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to this video. Don't forget to show out your people. You see what she's saying in the background? Don't forget to show out your people, do whatever or whatever. Don't forget to support a black-owned business or whatever. So we're going to get straight to it after I let my sister say hello.
Hey, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.
Look, she crazy, y'all.
Yeah.
What we doing today, sis?
First, we're going to go look at our building for our business classes. So please, y'all, hit us up so y'all can be like us, these six-figure bosses. Motivation. We got to help our black women out here. If ain't nobody else going to do it. So we're going to do that today. Hopefully, we will be YouTubing so y'all can see what we're going to be looking at.
Basically.
So I hope to see y'all soon when I do something to my hair, y'all.
sister is back, and we have finished making the body scrub. So this one right here, my sister named this. This is Mermaid Kisses, as you can see, and it has the purple and the blue. So this is gonna be on the website by the time I post the video. So go run it up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. We're about to get ready to go to our business meeting, and we will see y'all there because we're gonna be YouTubing that too. But we're about to post this, and we gonna be out. Like my sister say, peace out, love and blessings. We love y'all all. Make sure y'all stay motivated. Make sure y'all always keep your head up and don't ever give up. It don't matter if you not making no sales. It don't matter if you making 1 or 2 sales. It don't matter if you making 50 to 100 sales a day, y'all. Make sure you just stay motivated. Make sure you stay consistent. Don't let the negativity get in the way, and always keep a blessed and positive environments. What you gotta say, sis? You got something to say?
See y'all in a minute.
See y'all in a minute. Bye.